Hey everyone, it's Liv. Welcome back to another week of Live a Little. Now some of you might recognize this beautiful face next to me. This is my older sister, Hannah. A lot of people think that I'm the older one.
But I am.
Yeah, even though we're the same height. But this is Hannah, and Hannah made the most adorable cat thing, and I wanted to bring her on the show this week and kind of feature her and have her talk about it.
Hi everyone, it's Hannah. If you don't know me, I'm known as the crazy cat lady to all my family and friends. So I found this really cute JPEG online of a cat, copyright free of course, and I went into our Embellish Maker software and used the auto digitizing wizard. And we stitched around this cat, and we did a nice little top stitch here and used some random fabric. Some of these are from the Designs by Hope Yoder collection, Mandala Tango. And then we also used our Embellish dimensional embroidery foam to get this really great lettering on here, which was added in text inside of Embellish Maker to get the fillet of fish. The quilting came from the 3D fabric decorator inside of the Embellish Maker software, and also we are featuring our new metallic thread from Embellish.
Thanks for watching everyone, and look how adorable this is. It says fillet of fish, and I just love the cute little patchwork look that it has. So thank you guys for joining us, and stay tuned for another video next week. Bye!
Bye!